What if your maps could come alive in 3D, showing every hill, valley, and building with real depth? Instead of flat maps, imagine presenting terrain that feels real. Cities that rise off the ground and landscapes you can explore from any angle. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning 3D maps in QGIS using DEM data and vector layers. Traditional 2D maps are great, but 3D will help you understand terrain more intuitively, communicate elevation and height clearly, and create visuals that stand out in reports and presentations. So let's get started. Go to Layer Gives Add Raster Layer and load a DEM, such as SRTM or ASTER. This DEM contains elevation values, where every pixel represents height. Next, add a base map for context using quick map services, like OpenStreetMap or Google Satellite. Go to View, Gives, New 3D Map View. A separate 3D window opens. Link directly to your 2D map. Click the Configure icon, set the terrain type to DEM, and select your DEM layer to make the scene more realistic. Let's add vector layers like roads, rivers, or buildings. In the 3D configuration panel, enable your vector layers for building polygons. Turn on extrusion and use a height field, or set a fixed height if attributes aren't available. Next, we refine the visual quality. Scene settings and adjust. Light direction and intensity, shadow, softness, background, color or sky gradient. Once your scene is ready, it's time to export. Click the camera icon to export your 3D view as an image or video. Choose your camera angle, resolution and format -PNG for stills or MP4 for animation. Asterisk, let's review what we see. What we learned. QGIS supports native 3D. Visualization.DEMs provide terrain elevation for realistic to freeze. Landscapes, vector layers can be extruded for true 3D models. Lighting and exaggeration enhance visual impact. 3D scenes can be exported as images or animations. In the next video, we will discuss how to publishing web maps. Thank you so much for watching, and please comment below your questions or any video.